Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Central Oregon Shenanigans. Today we're back to work on the transmission. We've already done, we've already had 3 videos on the teardown. So if you're tuning in for the first time, go check those out. Also, if you're tuning in for the first time, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and feel free to leave a comment down below. Let's get started. So, today on the transmission, we're going to be going through each sub-assembly, starting with the pump over here. I've put some blocks underneath of it, so it makes it a little bit easier for me to work on. So I'm going to start. I'm not doing step by step on this. The video series that I'm watching, I'm going to link in the description below. So if you guys are interested, check out Transmission Bench. If you guys are doing a full rebuild, I recommend watching his videos over mine. Mine's more of a blogging of, hope you stay and watch it. We're going to, basically this is a blog of my first transmission rebuild and see the success of it. Hopefully to motivate you guys to challenge your automotive skills. There we go. So anyway, with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and remove all these pump bolts. You can hate me if you want to. I didn't want to do it this way, guys, but I fought too long. Yep, that was so much easier. Somebody over tightened those dang bolts, and I tried longer breaker bar. Yeah, no. Yummy. Got her apart. Okay. Set this piece aside, I think. Inspecting the rotors, there's some light witness marks on these, on the inspection of this rotor. In my opinion, it doesn't need to be replaced. It looks pretty good. There's a couple little witness marks here and there, but all in all, it looks like the rotor, looks like the rotor's in pretty good shape. Outer rotor looks pretty dang good. On inspection of the housing here inside where the rotor rides, there are a little bit heavier witness marks, but my thumbnail doesn't catch on it, so I don't know whether to replace this part or reuse it. As you guys are watching this video, Kyle and I are actually on our way to Portland to pick up a core transmission. So maybe once we get that core tranny here, that will have a better pump housing than mine. But this one's not bad. I don't see why you couldn't reuse this one. I'll take a picture of it here and post it on this video right now, and you guys can see right there, that's just a little mark there. Not too bad. I don't think that's anything to worry about, but if not, maybe that other pump will look better than ours. Alright, moving over to the stator support. Looking on this side of the pump where the pump rotors ride, it's about the same. I'll throw another picture up right now. And I can take my fingernail and rub across that, and it doesn't catch on those, so they're just witness marks. I think we're going to be fine, but maybe that other pump will look a little bit better on that other transmission. On inspection of the journal here, overdrive, overrun, I can't remember what it's called, but anyway, you want to make sure there's no witness, no grooves here. You want to make sure that these seals where they ride in are nice and sharp still. There's no dings, gouges. Just inspection, make sure it looks new, basically. And it looks great. I think that went really well. I think that pump, there's a little bit of grooving. We'll see what the other pump looks like, and we'll use the best out of the two for the housing. But it's like I said, I can't even catch my fingernail on it. So with that being said, let's move on to the overdrive overrun clutch drum, which is this guy right here. Notice a little bit of witness mark, that's normal. Alright guys, it took me all morning to figure this out, but I finally got this compressed with a homemade puller that I made, or compressor, to get that snap ring out. Pretty much got an empty drum. No pitting, no funny business. Doesn't look too bad in here. Alright guys, now we're going to be working on the overdrive, planetary, and ring gear assembly. Alright, got to this bronze thrush washer. Heavy scoring on it, guys. And this is about ready to crack. Look at that. Right there. It's about ready to crack. So is that one. It's extremely gouged. It looks like my part number, this is for my references. Part number to order that one if it doesn't come in a rebuild kit, 89 to 97 is item number 36214. Planetaries. There's a washer down here. Checking it, nice and silky and smooth. No rocky. No rocky. We're nice, and these planetaries look in great shape. No chips, dings, gouges. They're all rotating smoothly, and they do not rock. So, inspection of the planetary. Overdrive planetary assembly here is looking good so far. Well guys, we got a lot accomplished today. I'm going to call it a video break. We got the pump, the overdrive planetary and ring gear assembly, and the overrun clutch drum. taken apart today. Hope I said all that right. And inspected and found some broken parts that I took note of. Worn parts, not broken. Almost broken. Out of all that, the clutches, I don't know, the friction plates and clutches look good, but those come in the rebuild kit. But that thrush washer didn't look good, so we're gonna go ahead and order that. Or see if our transmission that we're getting this weekend has a good one. We'll take note of that. We'll have a, if not, we'll order that. But we're basically getting that PART transmission for the output shaft, the rear output shaft. A lot of you guys, you know, said go ahead and replace it, and I agree. Even though I think we could clean this up, I'm not wanting to. Plus, you can also see somebody threw this into park while it was still moving, so I need a new part gear. Be nice. I don't think that those are factory marks, but anyway. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time on Central Oregon Shenanigans on the inspection of all the sub-assemblies on the E4OD rebuild series. See you here.